Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter khichdi at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need rice, your favorite lentils, some ghee, and a selection of aromatic spices. Make sure you also have a sturdy pressure cooker or a heavy-bottomed pot ready. Don't forget to wash and finely chop any vegetables you plan to add for extra flavor and nutrition. Now let's start cooking. Begin by rinsing your rice and lentils several times until the water runs completely clear. Next, heat a tablespoon of ghee in your pressure cooker. Once hot, add whole spices like cumin seeds and let them splutter. Then, add your finely chopped vegetables and sauté them for a few minutes until they start to soften. It's time to bring it all together. Add the rinsed rice and lentils to the cooker with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in about 4 cups of water, then season with salt to taste and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder for that beautiful golden hue. Close the lid and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles, then turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker. Gently mash the khichdi with the back of a spoon to achieve your desired creamy consistency. Now for the star ingredient. Stir in a generous amount of fresh butter for that irresistible richness. Garnish with freshly chopped cilantro, and your comforting butter khichdi is ready to be served hot with a side of yogurt or pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.